All right, welcome to this video on how to make the mitosis matching foldables that will be glued down onto page 13. For this video, for this foldable, you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need this printout on mitosis matching. It's on my website. You're going to need 2 copies of this foldable, and that's also on my website. You're also going to need scissors and some glue, and in addition you will need to use the PowerPoint that is also available on my website, as well as chapter 3.5, so that you can match the appropriate vocabulary to the appropriate picture in the cycles of mitosis to help you glue down the right pictures to the right definitions. Okay, so once you have that, you're going to print out this paper 2 times, and then you're going to cut out along the edges. Once you have the cutout edges, here are my cutouts. I decided to print mine out on green paper, just so it looks a little bit nice in my notebook. You're going to fold on the dotted lines, and so you should have a nice accordion foldable like that. In addition, you're going to cut out each of these squares, so you'll have a total of 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to have a total of 12 squares. And your job is to match up the correct phase of mitosis with the correct definition and the correct picture and glue them down onto the foldable. You can use the PowerPoint that I've provided, as well as section 3.5 in your online text, to help you match the correct vocabulary with the correct definition and the correct picture. I suggest that before you glue anything down, you match the correct definition with the correct word with the correct picture, just as I've done for prophase right here. And I've chosen prophase because that is the very first step in mitosis. So from here, what I'm going to do is I've chosen the correct picture to go with prophase, and I am going to glue down that picture that goes with prophase onto my little accordion foldable. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to pick this part right here, and I'm going to grab on to the picture. Oops, sorry. Super high-tech studio, right? I glue it down to the bottom part. Above it, I glue down the definition. And on top, I glue down the word that goes with the definition and picture. So then I have something like that looks like that. Once I'm done with that, I take all 4 of my foldables and I glue it down into my interactive notebook. I'm just using a nice blue piece of paper for effect. And I glue down right here. And I have 1 of my 4 foldables done. And by the time I'm done, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3 more foldables glued down, and then I'll glue this onto page 13 of my spiral. I hope this video has helped.